My name's Harold Walter. I'm an attorney with Offutt Kerman. I practice primarily in complex business litigation, and I've been practicing law for more than 33 years. When I reflect on the fact that I've been practicing law for that long, I'm reminded of myself as a young lawyer when I would sit and watch more seasoned litigators who had a little bit of gray around the temples, and I would think to myself, that adds credibility with a jury. I can't wait till I have a little bit of gray. And of course what happened was I got a little bit of gray and lost all my hair. So there you go. But one of the things about being a lawyer, and particularly being a litigator, is that the level of experience that you have when you've been doing this a really long time, you've seen it all, or at least most things, and it gives you an ability to help a client that a young lawyer practicing by him or herself just couldn't possibly have. And one of the things that I enjoyed about practicing in a firm as opposed to as an individual was the ability, when I was a young lawyer, to go seek out those lawyers who had the experience and have them share it with me. And I'm gratified that at this point in my career, I'm the person that the young lawyers here at Offutt Kerman seek out to get the benefit of my experience. And I think that's really an important part of our profession, is sharing your experience with younger lawyers and bringing them along. It was done for me, and it's my pleasure to do it for lawyers here at Offutt Kerman. The reason I decided to become a lawyer is that my father was an attorney, and even as a very young child, I saw that my father really liked what he did. I noted that the parents of other kids would complain about work and dreaded Monday mornings and hated waking up and going to work. But somehow my father always seemed happy to go to work. And I guess as a young child, that made an impression on me. And so as I grew, I decided that if being a lawyer was that pleasurable an experience, then I wanted to do it. And so I made a decision very early on and was very career directed, and decided that I wanted to be a litigator, and that's what I did. I enjoy waking up pretty much every morning and going to work. I'm very fortunate that my practice is diverse. I don't do the same thing over and over again. I'm constantly dealing with new and different problems that clients bring to me. And those problems are by and large very interesting. So I think one of my strengths as a litigator is that I approach all problems with a fresh eye, even if it's a problem that I think I've seen before. And that enables me to find solutions for clients that others might miss. One of the other things that I try and do as a litigator is I try and always envision myself on the other side of a case. And that's helpful for at least two reasons. First, it helps you anticipate arguments that the other party is going to make. And if you can anticipate arguments, you can prepare for them. Preparation is key in being a litigator. But the second reason is it enables me to try and ascertain what it is that the other side really wants. Sometimes what they're asking for isn't what they really want. Or sometimes if what they're asking for is something that my client can't give, we might be able to find something that my client can give that would satisfy them. And so that allows me to figure out how to resolve a case in a way that may be out of the box. And I think that's one of the things I do really well.